The following data gives the number of students of Delhi state who went abroad for study during some years. In the tabular form, the first row, the number of years is given, and in the second row, the number of students in the following year who went abroad for study is given. Like 1995, number of students went abroad is 1400. 1996, 1600, 1997, 1250, 1998, 1000, 1999, 2000, and in 2000, 2200 students went abroad. Now we have to represent the above data with the help of a bar graph. So let us move on to the solution. In order to construct a bar graph representing the above data, we follow the following steps. Like in step number 1, take a graph paper and draw two mutually perpendicular lines, say OX and OY, as shown in the figure. Now call OX as the horizontal axis and OY as the vertical axis. In step number 2, along OX, that is this line, mark years, and along OY, that is the vertical line, mark number of students. Now let us move on to the step number 3. Along OX, choose the uniform or equal width of bar and the uniform gap between them. Similarly, to the OY, we have to take the uniform gap between them so that the space available on the graph represent the number of years and the number of students. In step number 4, choose a suitable scale to determine the height of the bar according to the availability of space. Here we choose one big division to represent 200 students. Now in step number 5, we have to calculate the height of various bars as follows. So if we say in 1995, what bar height we have to draw is of 7 big divisions. Why we take 7 big divisions? Because in 1995, 1400 students went abroad for study and we take a uniform gap of 200. So to calculate or to represent the bar to the 1400, we have to divide 200 by 1400, which gives us 7 big division. So if I calculate 7 big division and draw a graph or bar over there, so I will have this bar. Now similarly in 1996, the number of students are 1600 and the gap between each line is 200. So 1600 divided by 200 is 8 big divisions. So the representation for 1996 in bar terms is this. In 1997, 1250 divided by 200, which will be equal to 6.25. That is this bar. In 1998, 1000 is divided by 200. So 5 big divisions are there. That means this bar graph. Now in 1999, we have 2000 students, which is divided by 200. So it will give 10 big divisions, that is this bar. And at the last, in 2000, we will have 2200 students, which is divided by 200, which gives 11 big divisions. So we can draw the bar like this. So the final bar graph we will have is represented by this figure, which represent in numbers of years how many students went abroad